Hi, this is John Criswell. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Turning a concept for a product into a real deal is easier said than done. That's why companies around the world develop their products through bb7. bb7 is a comprehensive product development firm whose legacy started in 1944. Headquartered in Madison, Wisconsin, the company specializes in medical, consumer, and commercial markets and boasts successes in other industries. Their clients include major corporations whose products are used every day, everywhere. In fact, they've tackled over 2,000 projects since the year 2000, and they have worked on all 7 continents. How do they transform ideas into manufacturable products? It begins with people. bb7 employs the brightest minds in technical and creative fields, merging science with artistry. Armed with cutting-edge resources, these minds dig deep, investigating ways to improve products using disruptive technologies. bb7 researches a product's users and market to ensure feasibility and success. Design work includes everything from conceptualization to ergonomics to visual brand language, all while factoring in profitability. bb7's engineers are at the top of their game in systems, mechanical, software, and electrical engineering and materials science. An array of prototyping techniques brings a project one step closer to production. To back it up, they offer product testing and analysis to verify, benchmark, and substantiate product performance. In addition to product design and development, bb7 provides consulting and staffing so their clients' development processes and teams are optimized. Get new products to market faster. Visit bb7.com. This is John Criswell for Manufacturing Marvels.